Rawend. Originally, I'm a petrochemical engineer. This project, the aim of it is to help young adults understand the importance of being a multidisciplinary profile, to being able to adapt to the career path, to the ever-changing careers and the work environment that's happening nowadays, because the market is always changing, it never stops, and we need to have the right mindset that allows us to be for the front and the top candidate for the next new job. And also for the people who have, because the only constant thing in life is change, and we change as a human. So what might be right for us this year in career options may not be right for us next year. So the aim of this project is to simply allow the students to learn and to have that adaptive mindset and this agile forward thinking that allows them to be the eighth candidate on the job market. So basically what impact this project will have on the students' career is them being having the multidisciplinary skill sets and giving them career options and the freedom to change path and the financial freedom and the higher financial growth, because to be honest, for myself, I mean, within the last year itself, I had a financial growth of more than 60%. So this is something that will give them a higher financial growth rate, and it will help them establish a cross-functional professional profile, which is something that is nowadays, it's one of the most required skills. We live in an agile world, in an agile mindset, with all the changes, and people are looking to build cross-functional teams, multidisciplinary teams with people who have the ability to adapt to every aspect of the project and the job itself. And eventually it will help them land better jobs. So I think it's a full circle. So what will they learn is they will learn to collaborate, to work within a team, to set a goal, how to achieve it, to plan a project from start to finish, and the project management itself. They will learn to solve problems because they will be faced with real life problems, situations. They will learn to brainstorm and to mind map and network and learn how to build their own profiles. So this is the key skills that they will learn through this project. So yes, I've divided this project on the first week will be an introduction to career adaptability and multidisciplinary profile. What is it? What do we mean by that exactly? And understand the importance of the when you need to do career conversion and the adaptability mindset. So the first week is all about research and understanding that. The second week, we will have live session conf calls with people who succeed in their career conversions, people who have cross-functional profile, and we'll try to learn from their experience, because that's the way I see is one of the best way to learn. And then by the end of this week, each student should have come up with their own roadmap of any eventual career changes and some sort of a conversion guide if ever I start on this path, how to move on to the next. Then the third week will be research, how to open up a career adaptability club in the university, because I believe that this work is something that needs to be sustainable. There needs to be continuity. So a club that offers a place for the student to always learn and grow and offer them real life experience and activities. So this week will be mostly research on how to open up the club, the requirements, and come up with a club activity chart, because they would have to be activities that aligns with the career adaptability and the club objectives. On the first week, if we manage to open the club, then we will set up an opening event, webinar, whatever the students will come up with and would like, and we'll try to promote the club activities via social media platforms and try to get a better reach for the club. So that would be the overall project. So I think eventually by the end of this project, the students will learn how to be part of a team and how to plan a project in an agile way. And they will learn about career conversion, what it takes to change the career path. They will understand the power and the importance of being able to forecast the changes in the market and what's the next big career. And they will be able to implement it in their lives. And eventually they will learn how to develop their skills in accordance to the job market, because it's, as I said, it's a never changing job market. And one of the other added bonuses for this project is to learn how to set up and run a student organization in a professional manner, in a way that gives them the vibe of a professional setup. So it will be a way to experience the professional world within the university.